got the LG Optimus 2X with a dual-core processor, Tegra 2. This one can be connected to your AC TV, and look at that. That's 1080p right there. It's beautiful. And let me see. Let me show you some of the features. It's got a volume button there. Anything else you can tell me?
Yeah, that's an 8 billion pixel sensor.
Okay.
And with this one you can do 1080p like a video capture and recording.
Oh, okay.
Right on the phone.
Alright, right on the phone. So this is the first 1080p, first phone that can do 1080p.
Yeah. Dual-core processor, so extra fast in gaming.
Okay.
Web page loading, web browsing, multimedia is 2 times faster.
Okay. I tried the Atrix. It's got the same chip, right?
It has the same chip. That's right.
Is there any special features you can show me?
And because of the strong graphics engine.
Yeah.
So for example, we can load up this demo.
Okay.
This is a real free engine, a very popular engine for the mobile space.
Okay.
Very rich in graphics details. You can load up and see the flyby.
What about mirroring? Can you mirror everything on the phone to the TV?
Yeah.
You can? 1080p also?
Yeah, we can support the mirror mode.
Oh, really? Nice. So, how fast is the Tegra 2 compared to like a N455, like, you know, those netbook processors, you think? Is it faster?
It's difficult to compare. Those are like Intel different architecture.
Okay.
And they have a much higher power envelope, more for netbook, and these are like very, very tiny power envelope, right?
Okay.
And different operating system and different like instruction set, so it's difficult to compare.
Okay, difficult to compare.
But you know, for a cell phone, like in terms of power efficiency, definitely this one is much higher.
Okay.
You can go into the phone, doesn't require a fan, you know, everything is passive cooling.
Okay.
And there's a strong engine driving, you know, video decoding and like high graphics details and gaming as well.
Anything else you can show me about the phone that will show the Tegra 2's power?
So gaming, so very fast UI.
Okay.
So web page loading, I cannot show it here because of the wireless connection.
Okay, yeah, I know. CS is horrible for that.
Yeah, so you got the video here.
Okay.
So you can do 1080p capture, so that's pretty much the major feature set.
Okay.